Hello everyone, this is Anne, the little Frenchie in Big Texas, and today we are going to do some gardening. So let me first show you what I have here. So as you can see right there behind me is our dead banana trees, unfortunately after the winter storm. What you have here is my husband's genius idea of a strawberry bucket. Actually pretty cool, and I don't know if you can see it here. We do have a first strawberry, so that is really cool. What I have here in that pot, just before the hard freeze, I tried cutting some branches from my grapefruit and orange and lemon trees. I don't know if they're gonna make it and come back, and I don't know if this is gonna work either. So far I have some little ones over there that are not looking too good, but this one here, we need to give it some time and see if the roots come back in, so we'll see. But what I want to do today is plant some of what I bought at Tractor Supply. So I have two pomegranate trees that I want to plant. I love pomegranates. And I have two blueberries as well right here that I want to try planting and see how it goes. And here I am going to try some seeds on this one right here. So I found that one actually at my grocery store, H-E-B, pretty cool. And I love it because you've got silicone here at the bottom. So it's going to be actually very easy to take out, you know, when it's ready and seeding. So otherwise you cannot break it, it's not coming out nicely. Here with silicone, that's going to be a breeze. So this little, I have 16 silicone cells, and I am gonna try planting some red cherry tomatoes and some black zucchini, heirloom, both. So let's see. I have organic garden mix, seed starting mix. So we're gonna try. So here is my super seed reusable starting tray. Oops. So this is removable, and as you can see here, it is silicone, so you push and it gets out, which is really neat. It won't break, you can reuse, you can just wash it. So super excited on that one. That's a very small package. We've got a lot of seed starter. My husband is gonna start not such, I mean a lot more like the plastic ones, so that's a super nice one for me, the city girl, starting her first seeds. Hello everyone, this is a quick update 10 days later on our strawberry bucket. As you can see, they are all doing really good here, but I want to show you one side in particular because I think we already have strawberries we could eat. Look over here, what do we have? Here, oops. Let me move the leaves. Yes, look at that. Beautiful strawberries. Hey, this is so cool. And here we have an update on this plantation. So here, that one is picking up really good. That one too, so I had a blueberry and I have a pomegranate. That one does not look too good, so I don't know if it's gonna come back. Let's just give it a few more weeks. And here are the tomatoes and the zucchini, looking really good. Not all have come out yet. Let's just give them these ones that just popped up overnight, pretty much. So that's pretty impressive. Very nice. Right, and here inside my little protection cage, this is my orange tree. It's blooming again. I am so happy. Waiting to have a greenhouse, and we'll need to put it under, but that is awesome. And right there behind, if you could see, we have the pecans that are blooming too. We have a few blooming pecans. Let me try to show you if you can see here, like right on this left side of the orange tree, we got a blooming pecan. Yep. quite a few of them are blooming. So this is super nice. Yes, that one is coming out as well. So it is gonna come out. They are coming back to life, and that's really positive because the one right there that you see coming back to life stayed outside during the hard freeze. So they made it. I wasn't sure. Pecans usually can handle quite some cold weather, but they were pretty small. So, and I couldn't get everything back inside the house. So I'm very happy to see that some of the ones I left outside are coming back. They made it. So that is good. On the other side here, these were my grapefruits and lime, citrus, and some of them are not doing too good. I don't think they're gonna come back. See here, I just took them in. I took them in, but I took them in too late. It was already almost freezing outside, and they didn't make it. The only one that looks pretty good is here, and I think, if I remember, that's a lemon tree. So that one is doing really, really, really good. And here we've got another one, I think, kind of starting. So that might come back, and I'm gonna plant. I've got so many seeds. I'm gonna plant again, and so that's a starting pecan seed. Beginning of the season for pecan tree. Leaves coming back. And on this one, I'm gonna relieve this, remove this, and there we have what I believe is a lemon tree, a very small one, but still. And here a close up on the pecan trees that are coming back to life pretty much right now. Look at them. These are probably 3 years old. And my bigger one, which is this one here, is coming back. I don't know if you can see. Yep, right there. Look at that. That one is 4 years old, maybe 5. It's beautiful. We need to replant it. And yeah, these are coming back. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. Beautiful. Given some of my citrus plantations did not make it, I used some of these seeds I had from my own grapefruits, lemons and oranges, and I'm gonna replant. So what I did is I took the dry seeds and I left them in water overnight, and I'm just gonna take them and put them in the dirt, pretty much back in the pots where we have some dead ones. Good morning, the fishes. Hungry today? Yeah? Oh, yes, you are. Hungry fishes. Let me give you a bit more. And here, wow, these two just came out overnight. It just comes so quickly. I am impressed. So here is my little tomatoes and the zucchinis. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. So here you go here. I'm gonna try to take this one out, and look at that. Look how it comes out. Perfect. This is so cool. Nice little square that we can just plant in that pot right there. Wow, this is just so nice. I have 2 pots for the 2 larger ones. See, you just press and that is it. It pops out. I love it. And this is very wet. It rained a lot, so it's holding not too good, but it is so cool. So that's my second pot right there. Yeah, woof woof. So cool. here we go. Pretty cool. Very nice little starters. Definitely not the cheapest, but given you can reuse them, it might actually not be bad long term. Easy to wash, highly recommend.